All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something pretty cool by ACEdc. I got this soap, but this is not just a regular soap. This is the soap with the insert, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. This guy comes just with a bunch of stickers right over here, like this guy, and also some extra parts, which I truly love when these are being made available when you buy, because you might end up losing some of the parts, especially the balls in this chunky soap bottom from ACEdc. Let's check out the dimension first, because we got 44 millimeters length right over there with a 26 millimeters thickness, and look at this, 21 millimeters, maybe I said centimeters, millimeters wide or thick. It depends. Let's also check right away the weight, because yeah, you guessed it, this is a chunky boy. It's not gonna be lightweight in your pocket at 138.5 grams. So not a lightweight, but still it's chunky. You can of course get rid of the middle part and have it like just a regular soap, but still this is gonna be extremely cool. Let's see a quick size comparison with some other sliders I got right over here. ACEdc, that's the Contra, no, actually that's the Panda cart game slider. I got one of my favorite. This is the Big X slider as well. Another multi-fidget, but still there is a slider. In this one is the ACEdc Zoom. Fantastic one. What else? Another from One Studio. It's the Camera M. Another gorgeous slider, guys. And let's see, what else can I show you? Of course, how about this one? We cannot forget about the Armor slider. And I want to show you something else, if I may. Yeah, this one's pretty good. 01EDC01 slider in the house. And here we are with the ACEdc soap. It's a pretty cute shape, very rounded off, like classic soap bar shape. It's in zirconium, stone-washed zirconium. This is a limited edition of a 99 made of this guy, so pretty rare to find. It's pretty hard to find. You have the numbering going on the inside, as you can see, 62 of 99, and this is a slider that has tracks with balls. So inside you can just uninstall like that, just open it up like that, and just slowly right over here. So you will meet these 12 balls which are riding on those tracks, and they are producing very, and I mean very cool experience, because it's, when it comes there, there's a rebounding quality to the sliding experience. So it's the same thing that it happened with the BTCML Gamer Mixer. I don't know if you remember that one. It has a very similar feel, because I don't know if you can appreciate, but this thing just, it's strong. It kind of recoils when just slides, and it's pretty cool. So I mean, also the balls are there, so you don't go too far. For example, if you remove one, you can introduce a clicker, let's say, at the end. Don't do this movement, otherwise you're gonna, you know, have the balls falling apart. But if you are a little bit less strong, like for example like here, you can have it closed and just hold it with your finger and have kind of like a situation similar, not the same, similar to the CP2. If you just switch it around, you can kind of create some sort of, like here, sorry. How was it? Like that. Kinda. It's not the same, all right, of course, but still. You know what I mean. If you want to remove that kind of effect, you just add the third one, and it's gonna be blocked. It won't go further that point, so it's just gonna stay there. You can clearly see the balls through the side. It's pretty nice. You can also Just get rid of this entirely, all right, just like that. It's still gonna work. You can actually get rid of all of them without making a mess like I am currently doing, like so. All right, so get rid of this part. You can always use like the 6 balls, like so. There you go. And then you have yourself the classic soap bar in a slimmer version, lighter version. It's pretty good. I mean, I prefer the this version here, but it doesn't feel as cool as this guy without losing any of the balls. That's why they give you yeah, some spare ones in case you drop some. But anyways, this guy is gonna be a breeze to put back together, and these balls are pretty easy to find around. So we have a nice one right over here, guys. ACEdc soap bar. It's a Zirk. It's stone washed, so not polished, not blasted. It's a classic. It's a cute one. Check it out on fablades.com. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.